Hi, I'm a content creator and a fashion enthusiast. I love expressing myself and my experience online, and I really love fashion. And I love the simplicity of the Canon EOS R50. Bener-bener bisa ngejawab kebutuhan gue to make a content.
And hi, I am content creator and vlogger. Gue selalu ngabadiin apa aja yang gue lakuin setiap hari, like every single moment. I like to create my own content by myself, and I really amazed. Kamera ini bener-bener stabil banget. Dan buat gue, kamera ini really easy to use. I can easily switch between photo and video modes and just rotate the camera for vertical and horizontal content.
Sometimes gue suka gitu loh ngefoto apa yang ada di depan gue dan gue perlu untuk posting itu di Instagram. Vertical video mode memudahkan gue untuk tinggal upload di social media gue. Sometimes I feel like I'm an actress. See, that slow motion is really cool, right?